Best Mobile Mechanic Auto Car Repair Service Shop in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Pre-purchase, used foreign vehicle, buying inspection review near me. Are you stuck at home, at your job, at office business parking lot, or on the side of the roadside? Need assistance because you have a car problem? Let our travel mobile mechanic on wheels technician come to you at any location to fix your car on site and get you back on the road ASAP. You don't need to call a towing company for your vehicle. We can assist you by calling 404-334-3777 or visit mobilemechanicinatlantaga.com for faster service at your convenience. We also provide an affordable, independent, third-party pre-purchase vehicle inspection checkup service on spot at any local automotive dealership or private seller house or apartment. Whenever you want to buy a pre-owned car, truck, or van from American, European, or German foreign luxury import, let us put our knowledge and years of experience to work for you by giving us a call at 404-334-3777. We specialize in solving car problems and give you peace of mind. This service brought to you by, do you need to sell your house fast, as-is condition, with little to no equity? We buy houses and buildable land lot cash home buyer company in your area by visiting boracina.com/GA to give us some information about the property, and we will make you a fair offer.
If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car helpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. CarHelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner-seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.